This dance is called Siempre, 32 count 4 walls. High level beginner level line dance. There is one restart and one tap for this dance. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right. Sway your hip right, left, right and hold. Right, left, right and hold. Cross, recover, side, hold. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 2, cross shuffle. Cross, side, cross, sweep. In front, side, behind, sweep. Second section with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third section. Rock your right back, recover on left. Rock, recover, rock back again. Sweep your left back, sweep, recover on right, step your left forward and hold. Third section with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Last section. Step your right forward, make a pivot half turn to your left. Step forward, pivot half turn to the left. Step your right forward, hold. And step your left forward, make a quarter pivot half turn to your right. Step forward, pivot quarter turn with a cross and a hitch on your right. Last section with a count. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you end the dance here, facing 9 o'clock. Let me show you the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there is a restart during wall 3 after the first 8 count. So wall 3, you are facing 6 o'clock. Let me show you wall 3 with the restart. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. This is the end of first 8 count on wall 3 and you restart the dance here. So this will be wall 4. And you sway 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And you continue the dance. So for this dance, there is a tap at the end of wall 6. So the tap is, I will show you the tap facing 12 o'clock. When you end the dance at wall 6, the tap will be side touch, quarter touch. So with the count, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.